Hey Jamie, have you tried AI text-to-speech yet?
Not yet. Can it really clone your voice?
Yes! Google AI Studio makes it easy. You can create natural-sounding voices and even your own voice clone.
That's cool. How can I start?
Just subscribe to Eldnight Nexus and you'll get free ways to use text-to-speech with AI.
Awesome. I'm subscribing right now.
So to use text-to-speech, head over to Google AI Studio. Link will be in the descriptions. And make sure that you have access to Google Gemini Pro. So there's one video I made for free where you can get Google Access for free. So click on Get Started and you have to register with your Gmail. So once you register or continue with your Gmail, this is dashboard of Google AI Studio. You'll see Nano, Banana, create conservations, Gemini, use Google Search, Google does a lot of different features for Google AI. It combines a lot of AI tools together. Click on Build and you'll see Vibe Coding, childhood models, and also monitor usage. So at the fourth one, you'll see Text-to-Speech with Gemini. Click on it. Once you click Text-to-Speech with Gemini, it will show you the interface where you have to enter your prompts. For example, read aloud in a warm or welcome tone. You can see the speaker number one, I set it to hello, we are excited to have an interview. So you have to change all of these things to your own tone. Click on single speaker audio. We're going to use single speaker audio and tap your text here, which you can back to audio. This is the text I tap, and then tap on temperature, tap on the voice. There's different AI voice you can choose here. Look at this carefully. I'm choosing POC. Once you choose the one you are interested in and tap on hit on enter or generate. So wait a minute, choose your own voice and you'll see the magic of generating AI text-to-speech, all of that for free. Wait for some seconds. After finishing, click on play and you'll see your audio is right now ready to use and you can download it right away. So the audio is ready. Let's play it.
Hey everyone! This is Eldnight Nexus again. Did you know you can use AI to turn text into speech? With Google AI Studio, it's super easy. You can even clone your own voice. Subscribe to this channel to get access to free ways to use AI text-to-speech and start creating amazing voices today.
So now how can we create a multiple speaker? Tap on multiple speaker if you want to create more than two. And you'll see the option to enter the prompt for speaker 1 and speaker 2. You can add more dialogue. You can add more speech. So I already add them. Look at this carefully. Speaker 1, it is on text. Speaker 2, speaker 1, speaker 2. So you can continue it and you can generate up to 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes AI text-to-speech. And once you finish everything, you can add more dialogue and tap on enter and wait for the magic. It will generate realistic human voice for free using Google AI Studio. So as I said, there's one video I made on how you can go get Google Gemini Pro for free. You can access to Google AI Studio. Make sure you check that. Link will be in the descriptions. So choose the voice for speaker 1 and speaker 2 and boom, wait for the magic. You'll see realistic human voice. So tap on enter after you finish and listen to it.
Hey Jamie, have you tried AI text-to-speech yet?
Not yet. Can it really clone your voice?
Yes! Google AI Studio makes it easy. You can create natural-sounding voices and even your own voice clone.
That's cool. How can I start?
Just subscribe to Eldnight Nexus and you'll get free ways to use text-to-speech with AI.
Awesome. I'm subscribing right now.
So this is basically how to use Google AI Studio text-to-speech for free. My name is Eldnight. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.